Right, so on further inspection, I've tried to take this plug out of the cylinder where the coil pack was unplugged and the threads are stripped out of this. So someone's obviously been at this before it was sold. So there's no tightening up and it's no coming out. I was trying to unslacken it for about 10 minutes before I come to the realisation that the threads are fucked. So what we're going to do is we're just going to check the other ones to see if any other ones are done. So it's tight. So one out of the 4 is good. Two out of the 4. Now this is the next problem with this, is the accessibility to the inside cylinders. I mean, to get that, repair that thread for that plug, either the whole engine's going to have to come out the bike, and that's fine as well. Okay. Fucking hell. Gotta get my fucking ratchet back out. And this is probably why someone's managed to strip the threads in that plug and that cylinder. It's because accessibility to the plugs is insanely hard to get to. Somebody must have cross-threaded that plug in there. So that's where we stand on that, not good at all.